Morning, everybody. It is 8:40, and this is your Friday morning pre-opening comment video number 2236. Asia and Europe both slightly higher. We had income and spending and PCE and core PCE, both monthly and yearly, and none of the numbers were a surprise at all. Prior to the numbers coming, we had the Dow up 107, currently up 78. We had the Nasdaq up 143, currently up 131, and we had the S&P up 25, currently up 21. So PCE came in slightly hotter at plus 0.2 versus plus 0.1 in the rear view mirror on a month over month, but year over year, 2.5 versus 2.5. Core was up 0.2 versus up 0.4 in the rear view mirror and up 0.2 expected. And the year over year number was 2.6 versus 2.6. So really no surprises whatsoever. We did have some earnings yesterday, and it was not a pretty picture. We had Lululemon with a slight beat, and the stock is up 4%. We had Ulta with a miss by 17 cents. I just want to remind you that yesterday we had misses at Dollar General and Dollar Tree. So the low end of retail is suffering. And we have the same thing with Ulta this morning, misses by 17 cents, misses on revenues, comps down 1.2%, fiscal 25 earnings below consensus, revenues below consensus, lowers comp guidance. The stock is 335 down 88 or 31.70 or 8.6%. Marvell, MRVL, in line, the stock is up 10.7. MongoDB beats by 21 cents. The stock is 283.50, up 37.87 or 15%. And Elastic, ESTC, beat by a dime, reported inline revenues, guides above consensus, but revenues below consensus, guides 24 earnings per share above consensus, revenues below consensus. The stock is 74.41. That's down $30 or 28%. So even the beats somehow are getting pounded. Intel talking about splitting their product and foundry units. Now the stock is up 63 cents. Big deal. The stock is under $21. Alibaba, Chinese antitrust officials say Baba has ceased its monopolistic behavior. The stock is getting a little bit of a lift on that, 84.64. That's up 358 or 4.4%. As far as commodity futures, excuse me, we have for the first time in a while, we have the soybeans back over 1,006. That's up 14 and change. Corn up a little, wheat up a little, grains in general up across the board. We have the oil basically unchanged, actually up 8 cents. We have nat gas up about 6 cents. We have gold down, silver down. We have copper up. None of it much. The gold is down 6. The copper is up 3, and the silver is down 11 cents. Cotton a little higher, coffee a little higher, sugar a little lower, cocoa higher. The dollar is up about 10 cents. That's up for the week also.
Tom Childers.
And I will be back on Tuesday.